So hey there, welcome back to another video of Ferguson Tech YouTube channel. And this video will be talking about what are some differences in data modeling between Power BI Desktop and Power Pivot for Excel. So Pivot for Excel supports only single directional relationships with one to many calculated columns and one imported model. Power BI Desktop supports bidirectional cross filtering connections, security calculated tables, and multiple import options. So 17th one is named the different connectivity models available in Power BI. So there are three main connectivity mods used in Power BI: SQL Server import and SQL. A SQL Server import is the default and most common connectivity type used in Power BI. It allows you to use the full capabilities of the Power BI desktop. Direct query. The direct query connection type is only available when you connect it to specific data resources or sources. In this connectivity type, Power BI will only store the metadata of the underlying data and not the actual data. Live connection with this connectivity type, it does not store data in the Power BI model. All interaction with the report using a live connection will directly query with the existing analysis services model. There are only three data sources that support the live connection method: SQL Server Analysis Services, Tabular mods, and multi-dimensional cubes. Azure Analysis Services, Tabular methods, models, and Power BI datasets hosted in the Power BI service. So 18th one is what are the various types of refresh options are provided in Power BI. Four important types of refresh options are provided in Microsoft Power BI are as follows. Package refresh. This synchronizes your Power BI desktop or Excel file between the Power BI service and OneDrive or shared point online model or a data refresh. This refreshes the data set within the Power BI service with data from the original data source. Title refresh. This updates the cache for a title visuals every 15 minutes on the dashboard. Once data changes, visual container refresh. This refreshes the visible container and updates the cached report visuals within the report once the data changes. 19th one is named the data sources can Power BI can connect to several data sources can be connected to Power BI, which is grouped into three main types of files. It can import the data from excel.xlsx, .xlsx, Power BI desktop files .bbix and comma separated values .csv. Content packs, these are a collection of related documents or files stored as a group. There are two types of content packs in Power BI: content packs from service providers like Google Analytics, Marketo, or Salesforce, and content packs are created and shared by other users in your organization. Connectors help you connect to your databases and data sets with apps, services, and data in the cloud. So 20th one is what is a dashboard in Power BI. Dashboard is a single layer presentation sheet of multiple visualization reports. So the main features of the Power BI dashboard are: it allows you to drill through the page, bookmarks, and a selection pane, and also lets you create various titles and integrate URLs. A dashboard, it's like a dashboard. It can also help you set report layout at a mobile view. 21st one is explain how relationships are defined into Power BI. Desktop relationships between the tables are defined into ways: manually and automatically. For manually, the relationships between tables are manually defined using primary and foreign keys. Automatic, when enabled, this automated features of Power BI, it detects relationships between tables and creates them automatically. 22nd one is can you have more than one functional relationship between two tables in a Power Pivot data model? So no, there can be multiple interactive relationships, but only one active relationship between two tables in a Power Pivot data model. Red dotted lines represent inactive relationships, and continuous red lines represent active relationships. So 23rd one is can you have a table in the model which does not have any relationship with other tables? Yes, there are two main reasons why you can have disconnected tables. The table is used to represent the user with parameter values to be exposed and is selected in slicers. It uses the table as a placeholder for metrics in the user interface. So 24th one is what is the calculate function in DAX? The calculate function evaluates the sum of the sales table sales amount column in the modified filter content. It is also the only function that allows users to modify the filter context of measures or tables. Moving ahead, you will step up the following Power BI interview questions from the intermediate level. So Power BI interview questions for intermediate level. So where the data stored in Power BI, most of the time Power BI gets hosted by the cloud to store the data. Power BI can use a desktop service. Microsoft Azure is used as a primary cloud service to store the data. Azure SQL database, Azure Blob storage. 26th one is what is the row level security. Row level security limits the data as a user can view and have access to, and it relies on filters. Users can define the rules and rules and roles in Power BI desktop. and also publish them to Power BI service to configure a row level security. 27th one is why should you apply general formatting to Power BI? To Power BI data, users can use the general formatting to make it easier to Power BI to categorize and identify data, making it considerably easy to work with. The 28th one is that. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.